Hey guys, do you remember Shakira at the Super Bowl doing the Colombian Champeta dance? Do you want to learn? Follow me. Let's do the first steps together. So we're going to start on our left leg. So what I'm going to get you to do is step forward. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is going to be with your right leg, where we almost go in a running position. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do it all together from the beginning. Are you ready? With your left leg first, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Should we do it with some music? Going to be on your right leg. So we're going to double leg on the right. We go 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, turn. Again, we're going to start on the right. 1, 2, turn, 1, 2, turn. One more time. 1, 2, turn, 1, 2, turn. After that, after 1, 2, turn, 1, 2, turn, we're going to take a bat and we're going to hit the ball, and then we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. So hit the ball, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it from the beginning. You ready? Now with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after this step, the 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to start on the right leg, and we just go to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your arms down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, after that, we're going to kick our leg from there. We start with the right leg. We kick our left leg from the behind. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it all together. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll do it with music. After this one, we're going to take our left leg and we're going to cross over the right, and then we're going to cross over to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? We got it again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to stay on your tippy toes. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that part, we're going to go to the side, starting on the right. So we hop to the right, to the left, to the right double. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do it together, starting on the left leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll do it to music. When we go like this, we're gonna kick forward. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna do that again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it one more time. Start on the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it to some music. 2, 3, 4. We're going to jump up. So we jump up and turn half and jump. So let me show you again. So we're going to jump up on the left leg onto the right. So we jump up, turn, half turn, and jump. One more time. Jump up, turn, half leg, and jump. Now for the second part of this, I'm going to do it from the front so you can see. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, do, do, do. 1, do, do, do. So I'm going to show you it all together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with some music. Okay, now for our last step. After this one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. With your left leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take our right leg and our left arm and we're going to crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for some music. Alright guys, let's do everything from the beginning. The whole